I've come here to join your celebration. I'm enjoying. So this celebrity should continue for all times to come. So Baba can jai jabo, Rasa kan utibo, because Amakan to ekjon marbo, ekjon uti thaibo. Inika hai ase human itu kane. Udai din to rakiri, aro rasa din ai thaibo, aro ki parvas rasta itu खुशी पाए से उधर भी बैठे गए एमएलए सब भी दिन पर हम के ये कुछ करके तो एकदम कंडीशन पे है वैसे सत्तो मोतो वाले मैं भी ट्राई करो किंतु बड़ा बड़ा तो मतलब हेलो रास्ता तो exactly it is not two lane road but it is intermediate camera तो once ना any से पूरा एक बार जैसे to be bagi producer of no consigan to be a meet I can enter it. So I will see that early part of this year after financial year, I've taken up department, I've taken up with the chief minister and the finance department. But our projection was a little higher. So the members were frightened, hey, to 1 crore dekta, Zagade did the Dosa, come to you. So we demanded about 200 crores to all of Pishuasavala, without I know the condition of this, how it has been kept. I'm telling our community from river to Gongsa immediately all of Mano has issue to if you allow community allow me, I'll let the department do it. If you make it. But I will request our community to give it to the department. I'll spend some money within my own resource. itu dangor paisa to DPR बनाओ लाइबो जो लेबी देली प्रा स्कीम प्रा नांगले स्टेट तो man de bana le to gade you have to have patience for some time but revert to this I will say that I will not keep this as it is to department man bhal kuro pare kuro kintu beyond my community despite me and others also here we do apologize. Let me continue to attain. Itu itu to kaine be apna kan mukong aabo to manu to all relief to pabo. Mukong Tengsang highway, Marani mukong Zemoto. We are still struggling. Highway is already considered, but their funding system is the NSDS is the BC routine maintenance has been extended to us. Into 100 kilometers Tengsang Bogosung to Tengsang, it will be sanctioned Pura Jana. Aro Tengsang Malibi man. Like these few places are there, but hopefully in 5 years' time, if the government of India really implement the Bharat Shakti program, then highways also will come, everything will come. We will see that even in we are left with another 2 years. It was only 3 years. My tenure is coming to end 3rd years. So, itu majete ki kuro paro try kuro ame I can pehla laga manu project complete no pura pending bisi paenge na chief minister logo de joporasti ame 70-80 crores mange na itu tera dige na notun rasta sanction algo na try see that our communities also will benefit in my journey in the remaining period of time. So gane amar sama manu khan bhi suru to youngly I want to get through this year. It's only 18 kilometers. That also I failed them for 2 days. Aro suru to tasko kam display contractor to kam kothai na mane kami kuri na de. I cannot love kam bahal kura na nole. So we are also strengthened with our own contractors also, but see that from after I took over, I have not compromised even an inch. We are terminating the work orders who cannot complete, and even PMJSY, 570 kilometers on going on. I've appointed the PIU members, project unit, project implementing unit. And unless these people sign, there will be no release of it. So it's a high time that Nagas community should play in a good role. Whatever we get, let us try to see that we give complete road. We should give finished road to our community and at least last something. Now we are forced to adopt technology. FDR is already adopted. So Bishop contractor can strengthen that. So FDR technology support group can all of Misha Bodigana, Divo Guyana, machine higher Divo Guyana to all of slow craft, all of Cassie into. I would request our community bear with us and let us see the least important roles. To keep in and around Abna Bostite, Osorte satellite village, the Vita Postal House. So, man, I love that. So, that be Amagan or the other Bazar tennis paper, the Bazar design, thank you, Madigan. You are MP, I have respect for you, but the guidelines is already very important. That the Braki review couldn't post it. So I cannot run away from there. So it took any parallel last 2 years only we tried to get a road sector, the infrastructure, all of machine only we and again Sarum Nakado Pro Parabona night drive prices Tate Apna can be powerful and will continue to see that I should help our community to survive. Or Apna can to resource besides those are but they deliver resource but there are pockets where resource agriculture production is there. Forest to Nagamano Miligene Kodam good is a key forest Namko. Tijitpura, Amar Bosti, all forest is Pura Kodam. So we will not talk about forest. Because forest will never come back after less than 50 years after the Manu Bolivin. It took an Amakan Kiwese, but it is hard into. Let us try to rebuild Nagaland and let us help ourselves. Amakan is your community can get to request into portion to Amishu remaining extension, wait for some time. If we are lucky, we may get early also before this financial year. If we are not lucky, some delay may be there, but revert to this village, I will do some extra measure. My chief engineer could not follow, but my additional chief engineer again, engineer concerned, will take note of it. And I will tell Chief Minister that I went to Longsa and I have committed. Whether he knows us my request or not, let's see. Within my limit, I can do anything. But beyond, I think I should find a way how to help our community. So all the best, and not only Longsa, but there are people who begins the issue, they take the advantage. So all the best to our community, and even in the coming days, this Tanjamung and other festival in our village and in our community should prosper, and all our people should be protected by the God's grace. So wish you all the best. 2025 Tanjamung to Magan Miligana celebrate Kushi Purajai Jabo. So with these few words, thank you so much.
Sir, thank you for your kind words. Ikono Amro Kenny. May